Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will take a detailed look at how to repair the SL-Mini PC BMAX motherboard. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a small flathead screwdriver, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure your workspace is clean and free of static. Start by unplugging the BMAX Mini PC and removing all connected peripherals. This is crucial to ensure your safety and the integrity of the device. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure you keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the back panel. If it's stuck, use a small flathead screwdriver to carefully work around the edges. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing. With the back panel removed, you can now see the internal components of the motherboard. Inspect the motherboard for any visible damage such as burnt areas or loose connections. If you notice any dust or debris, use the isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to clean it carefully. Make sure to avoid touching any components directly with your fingers to prevent static discharge. If you suspect any components are malfunctioning, you may want to test the power supply first. If you don't have the tools or expertise to do this, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify the issue accurately. Now, let's check the solder joints on the motherboard. If you see any cracks or dull spots, it may be a sign that resoldering is needed. Use the soldering iron to carefully reflow the solder on any questionable joints. If you're uncomfortable doing this, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. As you reassemble the Mini PC, ensure all connectors are firmly attached. You may need to replace any screws that were removed. If you have trouble lifting the back panel or it doesn't fit snugly, double-check that no cables are pinched or misaligned. After reassembly, plug the device back in and power it up. If it boots successfully, congratulations! If you still experience issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just a simple and effective solution to your repair needs. In conclusion, repairing the SL-Mini PC BMAX motherboard can be straightforward if you take your time and follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.